Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Arun and I wanted to keep myself into a test with that how much can a beginner earn? If you're a beginner, how much stocks can be profitable into? Because all beginners can think is just about big profits, which has been posted into the videos and all about doing options trading only. And they come up with around a small capital and very less experience or no experience at all, and they end up being blowing up their account, right? So this video is about just trading into stocks and to show the beginners that how much they earned for the last 10 days or the last half a month of May, my earnings in stock. And previously I've also updated the first half month of my May's earning in this video as well. So if you want to check that out, the link will be in the description and also in the I button on the top right corner, right? So straight away, let's get into it that this is my account over here. And if I just go over here, you can see that this realized profit in the last 10 trading session. If you also want me to do it at 17 May to 31st, it is around 10,000 over here and net realized it around 9,287. And this is the equity segment, right? If you want to see that this is actually more than 10 to 11,000, because on 31st itself, today, which is today's recording date, which I'm doing, I've also booked other stocks as well, MGR, Emphasis, IOL, CPU as well, which I've sold my holdings over here, right? So I've had around 11 to 12,000 profit over here in the last 10 trading sessions, which is 1,000 averaging every single day, right? This is what I wanted to say over here, that a beginner who does stocks by just doing BTSC, where I've earned around 2 to 3% or 4 to 8% over here by carry forwarding it only for a maximum 1 week holding, you can be very much profitable into stocks, right? With hitting only 3%, trades over here with stop losses, none more than 1% of stop loss over here, right? Because I wait for my perfect setups and it is all about being patient and choosing the best trades over here. So this is what I wanted to show to a beginner, that if you're being consistent by analyzing just stocks and understanding the price action patterns, taking best risk to reward trades, you can be profitable, and all you need to do is being consistent. Yes, I understand that options trading is very much profitable. You can earn this amount in one single day and you can have much more at the end of the month. But the thing is that the one who is doing that, they have a lot of years of experience, a big capital as well, and also a lot of patience and a lot of gut, and mainly a huge sum of time in the market, right? That is what I'm trying to say. So if you're a beginner, do cash market. It is very much a great percentage returns over here, because being consistent is what you need. If my percentage is around 12 to 10 percentage, imagine that if you are getting even 5% or even 10%, it is still a very great return, because a month, if you get in a month 5% returns over a lakh, you will be getting around 60% in a year. If you're getting 10%, it means you're getting 120% in a year, which means that by the next year you will be having all these profit, which will make your account double up, right? Which means that if you're having 1 lakh, as I've used this account to make it public and make it for the beginners, which I'm making the videos for, all from the basic to advanced, it is right there in my playlist and also in my Telegram channel where I keep them updated. This is what I'm trying to say, that if I could make around 10% returns in a month, even if you can, even if it is 5%, which is still great, it is overall a very good percentage returns at the end of the year, right? That is what I'm trying to say. So I hope you understand that being only consistent, being experienced, a lot of time in front of analyzing and understanding the markets, and also with proper risk to reward ratios, you can be profitable over here with a good amount of money, right? Because at the end of the year, you need to see how much you have grown, not in a single day. Stock market is a marathon, not a sprint. Remember that as well. So I hope you understand what is the whole motive of this video, and to make this beginners understand that they're all just thinking about options when they need to focus at the basic steps, which is the cash market, right? So this was my last 10 days earnings, or the rest half a month of May, the last ending month of May. And I wanted to show you to keep this test for myself and make you understand that how profitable stocks are. So just in case, if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and you can join our Telegram as well, where I post daily charts and analysis, and also the free content in YouTube to learn from basics to advanced. Until next time, guys, happy trading and be safe, and take care of you and your family as well. And bye-bye.